I came down to the town of Bingen on the Columbia River. It's on the Washington side across from Hood River. And I thought that I would hang out here and edit some video and upload another one. We've got that video there is uploading. It's got 23% in an hour. 23% uploaded, 1 hour to go. Connection speed's really good here. So then I'll do some editing here. There's the laptop with good old Charlie picture on it. I haven't got a Archie screensaver yet. But, so I was going to do some fishing, and the problem is it's windy as all get up out here, and it's been raining. That is the town of Bingen over that way, and this is just kind of like a little inlet here. Logging mill over there. We're getting close to sunset. You can see the power wires up above with the balls on them so that the aircraft won't hit it. So I'm sitting there a little bit tilted, but that's all right. I'm only going to be here for a while. I was hoping to do some fishing, darn it. Oh, look, there's a bunny right straight there next to the rock. I see him walking across. Probably not because it's a GoPro. Hey, bunny. What's up, Doc? Yeah, what's up, Doc? He actually looks a little bit tame. I would presume that a lot of people feed the bunnies around here. Hi, bunny. Hi, bunny. Good bunny. Yeah, he's just kind of maneuvering, getting the rock between me and him. I can always surprise him this way. Where to go? There must be a hole here. Oh, there's the bunny. Okay, I'm not gonna bother you. So anyway, there we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Hey. And that is why you always keep your dog on leash. But the bunny outran him. So anyway, no fishing. It's cold. I was thinking I'd be able to drive down this road here, but it's roped off, cabled off. There's going to be some blackberries here for picking before too long. Okay, so, okay, there is looks like a public dock or pier, boat launch straight across from here too. But yeah, so I guess I will do my editing, get that out of the way, and then head back up into the mountains into the no man's land. Union Pacific is on the Oregon side of the river. Alright, it's freezing. I'm going to get back inside. Okay, here we are. I heard some noise and I was trying to figure out what the heck is that. And lo and behold, the hatch cover blew off and broke into several pieces. So I'm going to try and tape this thing back together and get a new part here before the rains take over. So that's some of the fun of being an RV owner. You just roll with the punches. All right. so I have this thing all taped back together. I have the hinge. Kind of taped in here. No, the hatch blew out in the wind over there. I opened the back door and it went whoosh. And so now I'm just kind of duct taping everything back together and hoping for the best. You know, I've lucked out that there's no rain, and I'm trying to keep my lucky streak going. Okay, so this here is the hinge, and it has a curled piece of metal that slides into here. So hopefully I can make that happen. All right, let's see what happens. There. All right, all it's gotta do is slide across. So I think I'm going to do is get a couple of bungee cords and put them on the brackets for the solar panel, and they will come out like this, then connect over to the fridge vent cap, and I think that with that I will be okay. So let me go grab a couple of bungee cords. Okay, so that's like about the third time that this GoPro has gone on the fritz on me. Alright, so there you go. That is how I am temporarily fixing this. I've got bungee cord between the two brackets on the solar panel, and then I have another bungee cord going across here, and it is going up under the housing and going to this because I didn't want to deflect the housing any. So anyway, the bungee cords triangulate right over the center of the escape hatch, and I've got the hinge is catching now, so we should be good to go for a while, and I'll have to get a new hatch. So anyway, that was more fun than people are supposed to have, but as they say, smarter than the average bear. All right.